Yes, you guys are seeing that number correct there. 1,825% annualized rewards are what you're seeing on PEPE Unchained right now. You guys are so extremely early to this pre-sale. You're getting ridiculous rewards, and I want you to be able to take advantage of it. So we're going to be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we've got PEPE Unchained on the screen right now. Now, we're going to be going through these guys in a second here, but I really want you to focus. The rewards right now. Passive income on an annualized basis, 1,825%. The number is going to go down if you wait to buy in, because as more and more people stake their PEPE Unchained, you're going to be splitting these rewards with more and more people, therefore that number goes down. So let's talk about what this is. We're going to jump into some price predictions because, oh my gosh, did you read that number? I know it was fast, but we're going to look at it in a second here. Ridiculous capital gains potential on top of all of these passive income rewards. PEPE now has his own blockchain. If at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you click the link in the description. Pull up the correct website. Don't just go out there and Google it because you might pull up a scam. Pull up the correct website here, and it's very, very easy to connect your wallet. Once you do, you're going to determine how much you want to buy. For 2 Ethereum, you're going to be walking away with 835,000 PEPE or PEPE Unchained. You guys can also buy with BNB or USDT on either network. The price of PEPE Unchained right now is just under a penny. It's 0.080964. I know, it's a lot of numbers right there, but what is it? PEPE Unchained is its own layer 2 network. Guys, I don't know if you're familiar with Shibarium. It's the ecosystem team's layer 2 network for Bone. Similar to Shiba Inu coin, yes, but has nothing to do with Shiba Inu coin. It's a layer 2 network. That is exactly what PEPE Unchained is doing here. You got better speed, better gains, and the same delicious PEPE flavor. There's going to be instant bridging between Ethereum and the PEPE chain. Instant. You're not going to have to wait 7 days like the Bone team made you do moving over to Shibarium. Lowest transaction fees in the industry, higher volume capacity with 100 times faster transactions than the Ethereum network, and a dedicated block explorer. So the same way you get Etherscan, Polyscan, Solscan, you're going to have your own for the PEPE Unchained network here. So let's just take a look at those staking rewards really quick. You guys can see 1,825% annualized interest with 87 million PEPE Unchained already staked. So if you guys are interested in staking and earning some crazy rewards, you're going to want to act fast instead of waiting around, because those rewards, that rate is going to get slashed the more and more people that stake their PEPE Unchained. So make a decision very quickly there. The next price increase is going to happen in about $100,000. So 1.18 million. When they raise that from the 1.08 million that they've already raised, you're going to see the price increase. Or in 2 days, 1 hour, and 21 minutes, the price is going to increase. Now, let's talk about this price real quick. It's currently sitting at just under a penny, 0.08 or 0.8 cents. If you come out here and you check out PEPE Unchained price predictions, look at this. We predict that PEPE Unchained will reach 5.5 cents. Oh my goodness, guys. 5.5 cents from the current price of 0.08. I mean, we're talking incredible rate of return on your capital gains plus passive income. So let's take a look at what PEPE Unchained is so you guys can get a better understanding and make a decision if you want to buy. Because yes, those price predictions are very nice, but remember, they are predictions. Nobody knows what tomorrow is going to bring. PEPE Unchained is the future of meme coins. It's a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. PEPE token powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new golden age of meme coins, with PEPE in his rightful place as king, and PEPE Unchained Layer 2 his kingdom. And you really will earn insane rewards. Guys, that staking that you just saw there at 1,800%, I mean, those are very large rewards. You're not going to get that anywhere else in the industry. And it will go lower. right? So that's why you need to act fast if you're going to be getting in and trying to get those 1,800% rewards there. So if you want to check out the audit, go check the audit out. I'm not going to go through it all in this video. If you still can't figure out how to buy, it is very easy. You're going to need a MetaMask, a Trust Wallet, and so on. You're going to fill that wallet with cryptocurrency and then simply connect it and buy PEPE Unchained here. The Tokenomics. 20% go into the pre-sale. 30% go into staking rewards. More tokens than is set aside for the pre-sale. That's why they can offer such a high reward. 20% go into marketing, 10% to liquidity, 10% to project finance, and 10% to the chain inventory there. Moving on from that, you can see the roadmap here. Make Pepe great again, coin eruption, and of course Pepe Unchained ecosystem being built out. If you guys do have any questions, if you want to know what a layer 2 is, if you want to know about Pepe Unchained, the benefits, or when you can claim your tokens, I always see this question, so I'm going to answer it. It's going to be claimable once the pre-sale is finished and the token is launched. At this stage, you'll be able to reconnect your wallet that you used to buy or buy and stake, and then simply click claim. That's when they show up in your wallet, and that's when they will be tradable. If you guys would like to go through and take a look at their white paper, you can do that as well, but I want to show you their X account to do two things. Number one, show you that you're very early. They only have 3,453 followers right now, but also show you that these guys are very active. They've already raised over $1 million. They're getting excellent engagement out here, and they're tweeting, posting on X every single day. You guys can see that this is not just some, well, I'm going to come on here and do a pre-sale and not engage with the community. No, they are growing their community, and they are engaging with them on a daily basis out on X, which is incredible. They are also growing their Telegram group, 2,000 followers strong or subscribers strong out on their Telegram account. So if you guys want to support them, even just by going out and checking out their socials, do it. If you're interested in buying Pepe Unchained and taking advantage of these ridiculous, look, more people are staking already, 1,796% rewards. If you guys want to get that level, I'm telling you, we just saw it go down a little bit. You need to act very fast. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.